Google just dropped a bombshell, a model that outperformed both OpenAI and Anthropic across 9 benchmarks. Released yesterday,
It cut pricing in half and rolled out to over 160 countries in the same breath. This is Gemini 3.7 Flash.
Today on TECHVERSE, we're breaking down what this means for developers, creators, and what's hiding under the headlines. So, what is it? Google calls Gemini 3.7 Flash their most intelligent workhorse model yet.
It's designed for high-volume tasks, scalable agents, and efficiency. Not just raw power, but pure speed.
For engineers, this means substantial improvements in coding, knowledge work, and web development workflows.
The most remarkable part? It was released just 3 weeks after the last version.
That's not a product cycle, that's a product sprint. It tells us everything about Google's current engineering focus.
9 benchmarks. It's outperforming the market leaders. And it's significantly more efficient to run. Google is also cutting the price in half. This is compared to its predecessor, making it highly accessible for businesses everywhere. And the 160-country rollout? It's an immediate, global infrastructure play that few others can match.
But here's the real story, the one nobody is talking about. Google has fundamentally changed their release cadence.
We are prioritizing agility over perfection.
This creates a constant loop.
We just cannot keep up with them.
Gemini 3.7 Flash isn't just an update. It's a strategic shift that has changed the AI landscape overnight.
This was your fresh out of the oven breakdown. Thanks for watching TECHVERSE. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Let's talk about numbers, but let's make them mean something. Benchmark names are meaningless without any context.
The real gains in AI are concentrating in 3 key areas: software engineering, document-heavy knowledge work, and web development. Frontier Code 1.1 main isn't just about writing code. It tests bug fixing and adherence to project-specific style guides.
Gemini 3.7 Flash earned first place, jumping from 34.4% to 43.6% in just 3 weeks.
On DeepStudy, testing real-world software engineering, the score surged from 49% to 65.3%.
That's not a marginal improvement. That is a completely different tier of capability inside the same model family.
Gemini 3.7 Flash builds functional apps with fewer, feature-complete prompts. From an ELO score of 15.8 on WebDev Arena, the difference is clear.
What this means practically. Developers in Cursor or Android Studio will feel fewer correction loops and cleaner first-pass code.
Now, let's spotlight the context window. 1 million tokens.
It accepts text, images, audio, and video, returning up to 64,000 output tokens. That's roughly 10 full novels in a single prompt.
For developers building complex AI agents that hold massive data in memory, this isn't just a feature, it's infrastructure.
Welcome to the future of processing. Now you can customize your thinking. It is all about giving you control. Effortlessly trade quality against cost. Get exactly what you need. You can dial the reasoning depth up or down, choosing between a fast answer or a deeply considered one.
It's more power, more context, and more control. The coding leap is officially here. Stuck in a never-ending loop of coding chaos? There is a better way to build. Welcome to the ultimate LLM showdown. Claude Sonnet 5 takes an early lead, but look at GPT-6 Terra surge ahead. It is a photo finish in this race. Terra claims the crown. Deployment authorized. AI agents are now integrating with global markets.
Our ROI is projected to double next quarter.
This data looks solid. Let's execute.
Now, these powerful tools are available. Access the Gemini app, build with Android Studio, and create in AI Studio. Start building today. Here's the story nobody is talking about. Gemini 3.7 Flash just dropped. But where is the Pro model? Google's silence on Gemini 3.5 is deafening. Could they be skipping it entirely? Are we going straight to Gemini 4?
Google is moving at a breakneck speed. Releasing upgrades every 3 weeks is the new normal.
It's a fierce race. With rivals like Grok and DeepSeek, any lab that slows down risks becoming irrelevant. It's a fierce race. With rivals like Grok and DeepSeek, any lab that slows down risks becoming irrelevant.
But there's more. Let's look under the hood. This is the safety layer.
3.7 Flash ships with critical safeguards against cyber offense and dangerous threats. As models write real, working code, these guardrails are more critical than ever.
Does this change AI? For the average user, maybe not yet.
But for developers and enterprise teams? Absolutely yes.
We are breaking records across the board. Massive benchmark wins, defying the competition. A revolutionary 1 million token context window. And best of all, we have cut our pricing in half.
If you're building agents or apps, Gemini 3.7 Flash just hit the top of your list.
The pace of this industry waits for absolutely no one.
So is Google pulling ahead, or are they just catching up?
In some areas, they are definitely leading.
But in others, the gap is closing fast.
That just happened. Is that really the direction they're taking the franchise? We're the direction they're taking the franchise? What did you think of that wild twist ending? Drop your take in the comments, I want to hear it.
Subscribe to TECHVERSE. Hit that bell. And let's keep exploring the future.